everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan Civil Engineer. Today in this video we will see how to find a job in LinkedIn. As we all know that LinkedIn is the best job search profile and we can easily build a network and find a job. So here we will see how to find a job, how to search a job in LinkedIn. So in the screen as we see that three ways to find a job in LinkedIn. Means if by this way we can easily find our suitable profile job. Let's see. First one, job through LinkedIn jobs search tool. Second one, job through user generated content. Third one, use LinkedIn hashtag for job search. So by these all the three ways. So let's start. I will go to my LinkedIn profile and I will show how we can search a job. So let's go to my LinkedIn profile. As I open my, it's already signed in. So here you can see in the laptop page. So here, so first one what we have seen the job search through job search portal. So here we already you can see in the screen that here is the job search tab is there on the menu bar. So we can directly go to job search. Here all this option has already came. Job search by title, skill or company. Job search by city, state or location. So if you want to search by this directly menu bar, job search menu bar, you can type like suppose I want to search for civil engineer. So I will search as civil engineer based on the location. If I want to search for Mumbai location, so I will type like already this option came, so I will search by Mumbai location. So here all this option has been came for the Mumbai location. So directly we can put our profile and the location. So by this way we can get a number of option. The second one what we have seen, job through user generated content. So I will show you how we can find this second ways. So here you already see there is a number of options came onto taskbar like job, sort by date posted, LinkedIn features, company experience level. So based on our profile, how experienced we are, like we will go to user generated portal. Like if you go on a job, you will find this option like filter option, all people, content, companies, groups, school, event. If you want to go by content, then you can just click on a content. So see, all this option has been came. Like it is the content posted by the recruiter or the company employer regarding the recruiting. So if you go on, keep on scrolling down, you will get this option. The second way is all like if you can go by the user generated content. Let's see the third one. Third one is use LinkedIn hashtag for job search tool. This is the most common ways in the LinkedIn where the people are posting the job requirement and recruiting for the new employee. So if you see, you can go by hashtag. So go to search bar and you can put like hash civil engineer, because I am the civil engineer, I want to look for civil engineer job. So if I type civil engineer hash, and the option already it's came. So all these option already came. If I type suppose hash civil engineer job, you see already it came. Like the people who are using the hash on their posting, like the people use the hash, you can see on the person profile down hash job in UAE, hash civil engineer, hash Abu Dhabi. So by this way you can easily find the suitable force for our profile that we have to require that job. So if I like one more thing I will show. If I type hash, suppose if I have to find for electrical engineer, hash electrical engineer job, already it's came, see. So I hope you got to know all these three ways you can easily find how to find our profile job. So if you like my video, please do subscribe, hit and share. Thank you.